How fabulous does that look? So there we are, that's our Christmas pudding mousse. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a Christmas pudding mousse. We're making a mousse out of the Christmas pudding. It's like your leftovers, you know, next couple of days. You don't have to have the full storage of a Christmas pudding, brandy sauce, custard, whatever. We're going to make it into a mousse. All the flavours of a Christmas pud in a mousse. Come on. Okay, I'm just going to put this glove on. We've got some Christmas pud here, and we're just going to break it up. Obviously your Christmas pud's going to be either how you made it or how you bought it. That is our Christmas pudding broken up one side. So we have a little bit of whipping cream here, and we're going to whip that up with our icing sugar in there. Now what we've got to try and do is not over whip it and whip it into soft peaks. That's soft enough. That'll do. Next job. Mascarpone cheese, a little bit of brandy in there. What about a tablespoon? Oops, that's about a tablespoon. And we want to go in there with our spices. Now that is mixed spice, but you can get away with using pumpkin spice or half a teaspoon of nutmeg and cinnamon. It will be in the description. Okay, we just need to cream that a little bit in there. So let's just do that first, make it a little bit easier before I splatter brandy everywhere. Give that a little mix in. Fabulous, that will do. Job done. Okay, it's a straightforward one this. That's our cream. That's our mascarpone, brandy and spices. That is going in there. Okay, so we're going to just fold that in there. Now don't forget we're making a mousse, so this is going to stay mousseified. I don't know if that's a word, but there you go. So we just want to fold that through there. Okay, and then what we're doing is folding that Christmas pud in that mousse mix. Now what you can do, if you want to garnish with Christmas pud, you know, you can put a little bit over your mousse when we've finished, before you serve. Now just gently fold that in. Okay, so all we got to do is put it in our dishes that we're going to serve it in. Stick it in the fridge covered. We're going to cover it for about 2 to 3 hours. So just plop that in there. So there's a couple of lightweight puds there. We just need to cover them in cling wrap, stick them in the fridge for a couple of hours. So there we are, in the fridge, couple of hours. Come on, we got these out of the fridge. What we're going to do now is get this wrapping off and dress them up. So all we're going to do is crumble over there a little bit of that Christmas pud. How fabulous does that look? So there we are, that's our Christmas pudding mousse. Come on. Oh, we're in. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's definitely a mousse. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Full Christmas pudding flavour through there, but really creamy. That is lightweight, it's brilliant. That's a cracking way to use up your leftover Christmas pudding. Wow. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share. Share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make a Christmas pudding mousse. And if you do like what we're doing, a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.